Ananya and Aashritha here. So, recognize our dresses? If you haven't, that means you haven't watched the video. It's our previous. Watch it so you can know how we made these. That video was how to design your dresses. Anyway, let's get back to our video now. So, today's video is about making your own diyas or Deepalu with clay. Let's begin. The items you'll be needing to make your own diyas is clay, of course, toothpicks, if you want to make designs, an empty bowl, a bowl with water to smoothen out the clay. Okay, so you forgot one thing, and tools. Okay, those are for the design, so let's keep them. You have to say everything. Come on. Okay, let's begin making the diyas or deepa. So, let's start making. So, first thing, I think you know, take a piece of time. Yeah. So, first thing, you have to take some water and make a smooth ball. Do not break it. Try not to. I mean, like break a half dip, and smush. Use 2 fingers to dip it in, if you want, or you can use one. You can use how many fingers? How many, huh? 200? Do you know why we're making these Deepa today? We're making them for Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. On Diwali, they take out sparkles and do fireworks. Yeah, that's the most. And pujas. They set up all your toys. They set up the toys on one desk or shelf. That's the best part. Fireworks. That's my favorite holiday. So, okay, make it round. It might be so hard. Oh. Okay. Still need to make it smooth a little. After we finish making balls, make sure to only dip water to smoothen out the cracks. Yeah, that's the only way. Okay, if yours gets into an egg like this, make it on the bottom part and on the top part and roll it like that. It might not come, but keep trying. It doesn't have to be perfectly smooth. Okay, mine is finished. Aren't you going to wait? Fine, I'll wait. Oh yeah, you can start yours. Okay, should I explain the steps? Yes. Okay, after you get a circle, make it flat like a cookie. No, not like flat. You see? Take a thumb, keep it in the middle, or you could do your own. It's your choice. You can make it flat like a cookie, then do a street this way, or you can do a street this way. And then make sure it's not too thin and not too fat. Yeah. I'm going to smoothen out the cracks here. While you make it, cracks might come, but it's okay. You have water to smooth them out. Mine was like a little bowl. I wish I could make a real bowl. So instead of making them up top high and getting more and more cracks, bake them down like this. Do it to all sides. Squeeze. Try for not to break. Make sure all sides are even. Okay. Now after you're finished smoothing those cracks, turn your bowl upside down and keep some water. Then keep your deepa on it and flatten the part gently. Only the center part. slowly. If you do it slowly, no cracks will come. And if you do it hardly, cracks will come. Okay. After you're finished, make sure you curve it gently, like I said, so no cracks. Okay, make sure you keep on making cracks so it won't get dry. And after you're done curving it over here, and you feel like some cracks are going to come, apply some water. I can see cracks. Let's see. Okay, spread the water. After you're done applying some water, make a small pinchy shape. Like this. That's if you want it in a shape. If you don't want it, just make it in a circle, like I am. That looks nice. Could you, if you add a little more pinch, it will be good. And don't forget to smoothen out the cracks. Okay. Mine is almost finished. Just need to bend a little bit more. And mine is finished. Let me smoothen out the cracks a little more. Mine is too. You need help with yours? No. If you make this part a little more higher, it will be great. Okay? Okay, make sure you don't keep the sides too thin and too fat. You already said that. Smoothen out the sides once in a while too. If you add too much water for the sides, just spread it onto the. So finally, we're finished. By the way, we forgot a tip. If you want to add a design like Aashritha's, make sure it looks like fire. Mine is just a circle. Here you go. Add a hole in the middle if you want designs. Yes. I'm just going to add lines and well, not a too big one. If it comes too big, just take pinch, line, pinch, line. Okay, here you go. We're finished with the designs. I made the sun in the middle of mine. And I made the O symbol. So here are our designs. Make sure after you're finished, you make it dry. Wait for 1 day to make it dry. Okay, so we'll show you the other ones we made a few minutes ago. So, here you go. Here's one bowl. Here's one pinchy one. And here's one of the another pinchy one, like a fire. So that's it. Hope you like our Diyas or Deepalu. Try this at home for Diwali. If you don't have Clay, you can buy one. So like, share, subscribe. The sisters are flying off to the YouTube airport. Bye. today, as you can see. But you can't see the design because the light has covered it. Oh, here are those fireworks. Okay. Okay. Now we're doing the sparkles. I don't want to do it. Diwali. It's only 4 more days till Diwali. But we're just doing this for the year. No, we're doing it for the video. It's on the 14th.